Good morning. I hope you all are having a great day at home. Stay home and stay safe, okay? So if you are here, that means you're doing what you're supposed to and you're checking in on Canvas. For this lesson, we're going to do part 1 in this video. There are going to be 2 parts of this lesson, so 2 videos. So make sure you do both of them. You will need a piece of paper for this, some colored pencils, okay? And a pencil or a pen or whatever. Right now I have a pen. On your piece of paper, you're going to turn it sideways like this. It can be a lined piece of paper, blank white paper, whatever. I only have graph paper today, so that's what I'm using. You are going to draw a line down the center, down the middle, just like this. For this lesson, we are going to take some notes to review the difference between climate and weather. We talked about it last week, but I really want to solidify this in your head. So we're going to just take a few notes on this paper about climate and weather. We're going to put climate on this side. At the top, and then weather over here at the top. You will need the whole paper for this, so please use an entire piece of paper if you have one with a line down the middle. The first video is going to be about climate, so we're going to zoom in here on climate. And I apologize about the focus. It has been doing this to me all morning, so hopefully it'll get its act together eventually. Oh, that's a little bit better. Okay, climate. Climate is weather patterns over time. Climate is weather patterns over time. Climate, there we go. Climate is long term. Okay. Also, yes, you should be writing what I'm writing, if I didn't say that before. So, climate is long term. So, for example, if we were to take the entire year, so you're going to draw a rectangle like this. You take an entire year, so January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So these are all the months of the year. Okay, in January, it was sunny. February, it was sunny. March, it was also sunny. April, sunny. But in May, it was rainy. So we're going to do raindrop. June and July are sunny. August is hey, look at that. That's supposed to be a little lightning symbol. So there was lightning, a lot of lightning in August. And then September sunny, October sunny, November it was sunny, and December it was cloudy. So if we have what the weather was like each month, we say, okay, the average or typical weather is sunny, because that's mostly what we have in this right here, sunny, okay? So the average or typical weather is sunny. So taking that to determine climate, so to figure out what climate is over time, we need to look at two things. The first is precipitation. How much water is falling down in that area? So this can be rain, snow, sleet, hail. Remember, precipitation is all those things. The point is, water goes from the clouds to the ground. How much water is going from the clouds to the ground in the area that you are determining climate? And to remind us of what precipitation is, go ahead and draw a little rainy cloud. Doesn't have to be super pretty, but enough that you can tell what it is. The other thing is temperature. Temperature, so how hot is it or how cold is it in that area? And to remind us of what temperature is, I'm going to draw a little thermometer. So precipitation and temperature are what we look at to determine climate of a certain area. Now the Earth, so I'm going to draw a circle, doesn't have to be perfect, a circle. The Earth has different climate regions. Depending on where you are on the Earth, you could be in a different climate region. There are a few different ones, but the ones we're going to touch on are polar, temperate, and tropical. So the way that we're going to draw this is you're going to draw a line right down the middle across like that. And then you're going to draw two lines above that middle line like that. And then two lines below, just like that. The top and the bottom are polar regions. So this is a polar climate, this is a polar climate at the top and at the bottom. The one that's just right under and above polar is temperate. So this one is temperate. Also, the one down here that's just above this polar is temperate. And then we have these two middle ones. These two middle ones, closest to the equator, which is right here, are called tropical. So these are the climate regions. Depending on where you are on the Earth, you can expect a specific type of climate when you go there. So once you're done with this side, you are going to go to the next video.